Hi, Neely Nathan with Expert Village. Good morning. So we've just made our coffee, and here we used that rosemary, if you remember from the previous shot. Oh, that's a bit of a strong cup of coffee. That smells really wonderful. Now the next idea I want to talk to you about is your creamer. Many of you are using non-dairy creamers, and I want you to read the label. Be a label detective and take a look. Vanilla, so I'm getting it, but it's natural. I'm getting the natural vanilla flavor. And if I read this label, it has 0 grams of saturated fat, 0 trans fat, 0 cholesterol, only 10 milligrams of sodium, that's good, and 3 grams of sugar. I like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. Now don't be deceived if you see a product that has 1% low fat. This is milk with 1% low fat, because if you start to read the label, you will find that this has 1.5 grams of saturated fat, 0 trans fat, that's good, 15 milligrams of cholesterol, not so good, 100 milligrams of sodium, and 14 grams of sugar. Wow. So just because it says low fat on any food label does not necessarily mean that it's healthy or good for us. Take a look at all the ingredients in the label.